Hello and how are you? Let's see how to save data in a browser and view it using local storage. So, quick overview about local storage. So, local storage is like a database that stores information on on your browser, and because I'm using this domain, so it is used under this domain. So if I change it, it won't be saved. And if you like opened it again and again from the same browser, it is still there and saved. But if you if you uninstall the browser or reset it, all of our work will disappear. So let's see where are we going to install it, then start doing it. So I will open inspect using the F12 key on my keyboard or just by clicking its right click then inspect. Then going to the application, then you will see the session storage, cookies and things like that, and I'm planning on doing it, but in this tutorial we will see local storage. So little, you can see it's empty, but I can add it manually. So let us set it to be test. Then the value for the key would be like this, and I think, and when we refresh it, they'll still it. So something like a database. I will just delete it, and I want to make it using the JavaScript. So I have this. We'll put in it my HTML5 document and put a script tag in it. So script SLS and just call my script.js and go here and create the script layer. Okay, and we will click now text area with the ID of text. So text, well, we placing our things, then a button called store data. Then I will just make an onClick function, and just we will set this onClick function to be store underscore data. Okay, and here just I will create the function which is store underscore data. Then inside of it, first of all, we will need to const the text. So const text equal to be document dot get element by ID, and then just set it to be text. Okay, and then just right over here we will console.log this the text doc, so we know that we have it. Then we will start it. So console.log text, but because we want it to be the value, not the HTML, so we will need to add value at the end. Okay, not earlier value, just value. So I have to make this. So when you go just over here and go to the console, and it says you can place it in, and there's no thing. So here I would like, hey, then store data and deleted. It is stored, hey, how are you? But if we refresh, you can see it again. So we want to store it here. So after this, what I want to do is make a local storage. So you will type local storage like this, then dot and dot get item. No, sorry, got dot set item. So dot set item. Okay, and just over here we will set it to be text. So now when we go here, like type stored data for example and click on store data, should be right over here. But why it isn't good? Okay, so it is so here. So here, yeah, this is because we will need to also to have a title. Okay, so what can we do for that? We can let's say code or like here say text for example, and when you go here and go to the application and like hey, you can see here it is stored as text, then hey, but I want to store it, make that user tool how to store it. Do you think this is possible? Let's see. So we will go back, head back to our HTML and make a new input and just set it to be text. So input then text. So where is text? So yeah, little. And just set the ID to be title. Okay. Then we will make another const and just set it to be title equal to and let's get the value for it. So document dot get element on by ID and just say title. Okay. Then dot value. Then just over here we will set it to be title. This little should now be one. So now yeah, I will just style it. So here I will add a p tag. This is the title. So title. So little title. Then just over here p mesh. Let's say text. Okay. Then I will just add a br. You can style it. I just want to style it so we can please. So this is it. Okay, so now are you ready? Yes. So I will just say, for example, title underscore 2. Then here let's just say title underscore 2 value. Okay. Then save data and little title 2 value. Send this to be title 3 and title 3 and store data and little. And when we refresh, you can see. So I want to refresh. When I refresh, it will print for us thing. So just over here, I want to like add it. So we will just delete the title since we can't use it for because I want it to be a special. I want it to be the code thing. Only code will store the data or what will specific, so we know the name, not the auto-generated or the user type. And just over here, we'll say document dot create element, and this will be a p tag, okay? I'll just add it to a var called p. So var p equal to this, and inside the p we will add an inner text that will be equal to text underscore p, okay? And see this var, so var text underscore p, and just over here we will set an equal, and we want to get it. So local storage again, then dot get item, get item, and I want this item to be code or the key for it, okay? Then it should be working like that. And so document dot body dot append dot append the p. So append p. I think this is how we append things. JavaScript. Let us see. So now when we go here and refresh, it should make it, but there's no any value with the p. So we have to clear this. We can clear it from here, but to really clear it from this, let's just say local storage dot clear. And what does clear mean? It basically means clear anything in the database or the storage. Okay, so let's just delete it. Don't delete. Let's remove this. Then I will type here, for example, print it out. Okay, then I will add like, hey again. So now print it out disappeared and hey became after it. And when we refresh little, there's hey. And like if I type anything, for example, hey Java, anything, it will do so. It's store data, it's store refresh until 8, and this is it. And let's see how it will take something big. So I will just go and go to it's generator, and I want it to be 10 paragraphs, so it will be very big. So let it related to see how it will be tested. So I will copy it. It should be copied and little. I will put it start date and little start date, and when we refresh little little it is printing it out. So even big things. So for example, I will close the browser totally and open it again. So listen it and little, then still it, then I will just say subscribe to my channel, for example. Okay, and solid channel and store data. It is stored, and when we refresh, it is subscribed to my channel. And this is how you can store data. But I want to make another thing. I want to make a button that will clear data. So another button here, and just call it clear data. And the on-click palette will be so on-click equal to clear underscore data. Okay, deleted. And when we go here and make a new function and sorry function and just call it clear underscore data, and inside of it we will add the local storage dot clear. Okay, and little. And this is it. So when we go here, you can see clean data. So I will just add my big Lola, little store data, leafless little, and I will just see, click on clean data and little. All of the data is clean. And this is how you can play with the local storage and how to solve data and how to clean data. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please watch other videos of mine and I will try to put out other things about this same thing with more projects. This is a simple project. You can do a fascinating project with it. Thank you very much.